Redoing that church. This place is starting to look a little dumpy.
Yeah. That's what happens when nobody takes care of nothing.
Mm.
You go out to the left here, some of these side streets, it's pretty more up to date.
Yeah, the dog pound thing is down there. Hound's Haven. See that back here? I don't know if they still have that open or not.
Okay, down here at the Y, we're going to stay to the left.
Yeah, to the right goes to Adina, right? I always get confused.
No,
There.
it goes to Dillonville, don't it? Or
I get
or
confused.
no, it goes to, yeah, Adina. We're going to Dillon, or Adina. Or,
Jeez, Roger. All confused.
right goes to, we're going to Dillonville. Or is it the other way around? I don't know.
I don't know. I think Adina was to the right, but I ain't sure. I think so. I think I'm right. I think this is
Again?
Yeah.
Twice in one day?
Yeah. Oh gosh. I was going around them turns a little bit too fast because I was trying to stay close to you because you're always complaining I'm so far behind.
Well, don't worry about me. Just tell me to slow down a little bit.
No, you're fine. It's just you always complain. Why are you always so far behind?
I only do that when we got the camera on the back.
Oh, okay.
Take your time, ride your own ride. Don't worry about me. You know, when I got the camera on the back, I like to see you a little closer.
But
That's all.
but you go your speed and I go my speed and I just don't.
Dude, we've talked about this millions of times. Ride your own ride. We don't want no accidents. You know what you're capable of or what you can do.
I just feel like I'm just real cautious. That's all. It's kind of warm.
What'd you say? Getting warm?
Yeah. Are these all new election signs that's up, or they never took them down?
I didn't understand.
Are these all new election signs, or they just didn't take them down?
No, they're all new.
Okay.
They're November you vote, remember?
I know, it just seems awful early to have election signs up.
You only got a month. No, first Tuesday or second Tuesday, or is it first or second Tuesday of November is always election. That's what I was saying this morning when that commercial come on about issue 1.
Well, that's what we already voted on.
That's a different issue 1.
Oh.
See, if that other one would have passed, this one wouldn't have been on there.
Oh.
That's why they put it on in August to try to beat this one.
Hmm.
And it didn't work.
I was all confused.
You're all confused.
I always am.
The last one was to change the constitution of Ohio.
Hey, I lost you. What's going on?
Sherry came on.
Oh. I thought that was on the road right there. I thought that was a blowed up raccoon. It was a couch pillow. I'm like, man, that thing swelled up. That's why I turned that Siri thing off. That's just a pain. You're on the bike.
Yeah, but it comes in handy if you need to make a phone call or something, you know?
Yeah.
Or if you're looking for something.
But the last time I was in the middle of telling you something or asking you which way or whatever, and she came on, and I can't get it to shut off, and I was like, I don't want to do that.
Well, I understand what you're saying. I'm just saying sometimes it's nice to have.
When she starts answering your doorbell, you got a problem.
In the middle of the night.
Right.
They're spying on us.
Yeah. I haven't been down this way for a long time.
Been a while.
Huh?
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah. Everything looks different. Today is pizza day at Adventure.
Yeah.
I give away free pizza today.
They haven't been out there in a long time.
Mm-mm. It's called Last Slice of the Summer, and they're giving away pizza until it runs out.
You were right, Dillonville.
Yeah, I know.
I had to pick up a car here one time right on this turn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What a pain.